before we continue, I just want to mention and say, this is the epic time right now, the epic moment. This is the first time the car is going to touch wheels to the floor on its own weight since I own the car, which is pretty astonishing to me. I'm excited. I'm going to take it for a little drive in the parking lot. I'm excited. So, momentous time, epic time right now. Make sure the suspension was right. The alignment for sure is off. We know the alignment is off. That's for a different time. Completely. We have a long way till we reach that point. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh. It's on its own. It's on its own, little baby. If I had my kazoo, I would do to do right now. Wow. Oh man, that looks so good. Oh, I love the concave on this. It could come out a little tiny bit. It's nice. It's nice. There's a huge tire that fits here. Look at that. Huge. All right. I'm going to make this car ready to drive around. I'm going to strap down the hood. We're going to pump the brakes a little bit because I did the brakes. I didn't do the pads yet. I'm going to do the pads in the future, but I opened them and I cut the rotors for now. We just need it running and standing on its own so we could send it to the body shop as of now. But also, I need to drive this thing. I need to do, this is need to do. Alright guys, this is the time. This is the time. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. I just pulled it out. That's as far as it ever drove. No rubbing or anything, so that's good. I can't drive it for too long because we don't have any radiators or coolant. So we're just gonna run it for less than a minute. I just want to make sure the transmission is working. I want to see that it's rolling. I just want to feel the car a little bit, maybe just press it a little bit, a tiny bit. And that's it. Actually, one thing, there's a check engine light. I'm going to go get the scanner. I'm going to see what that is. And then we're going to be off. You guys ready? Here's the time. Here's the time we've all been waiting for, or at least me. Oh my God. Oh my god, this thing's fast!
This car's really fast.
That's not even full throttle. Okay, we need to shut this thing off. I'm gonna hurt this car if I continue a little longer. Oh my god, I'm having too much fun. All right. How'd you guys like that? That was wild. Oh man.
You killed your girlfriend.
You're fine. We're all fine. Your side has the airbags. My side doesn't have the airbags. Oh man. Whew. All right, let's go look under the car, see if there's any leaks, and let it cool down. Because I did drive it a little bit more than I should have, but hopefully we're good. All right, see you guys later.
I just realized that's going on YouTube. No.
Hold on.
See the truck, the weak one does everything. Hey, look. Go.
Now it's off to the frame machine. Hope you like the content of our video. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Don't forget to click the bell for future notifications of future videos. Until then, if you ain't got haters, you ain't poppin'!